DJ NTV.
Hello my people, we don't come back again with our story, and we just get a lot of information regarding what did happen for Edo State. You know, yesterday we hear say Pastor Ize-Iyamu don't win the primary election for APC, and some people say the way when we say they conduct the primary election, say it not really balanced. Sake of say they say na back of the uncle has now for do the primary, and the way when we say they take count down, maybe they show for social media, they say they just call they count any number when we say you favor Ize-Iyamu, and we never ever get confirmation from that one, though we see for video, because we see some of the video when they call they say 30, 31, 40, 41, 50, 90, 120, 200, and they know count out very well. Though what it don't happen, and it don't win, and it don't emerge as the candidate of APC. When we say you contest with anybody, when you go emerge as well for PDP, when everybody know as People Democratic Party. And we also know say Governor Nogaga say Obaseki don't decamp from APC because they disqualify for APC, and is now in PDP, and they try to make sure say other governors, maybe say they want contest under APC, PDP, they step down for her, and in the they meet all the governors. Though when they say they PDP, and some of them they strategize for them, and they plan on how they fit take over APC, and because they say they don't want make Ize-Iyamu win the governorship seat when you come up in September. Sake of say Oshomole do wuru put, and it get two challenges when people they bring to our table. Say if Ize-Iyamu as he don't win now for the primaries, waiting will be in fit for the May election. We don't hope for September 2020. You saw say he will fit win. So Obaseki they don't say Obaseki not fit contest. They is try to stop Obaseki from contesting for the primary for PDP, because the primary election will be supposed to hold for PDP on the 25th. They say they will cancel it until God give PDP or Obaseki a grant for him to contest. If not, enough contest. So because one of the governors when we say he wants to follow and challenge the PDP seat, say na in turn to contest, you feel say if that one come out, if he win Ize-Iyamu, from our perspective, I'm not sure, because APC they strong as well. So some of the challenges when they bring to our table is be say the people of Edo State, when they say they reject Ize-Iyamu, when he did PDP before, when he decamp in December last year, 2019, from PDP to APC, say how the people will feel. You should say they will trust Ize-Iyamu. You should say they will vote for him, because they rejected him in 2006. When we say Obaseki winner with massive vote. So if he pass these challenges, that means everything will do alright for him. That is the first challenge for him. Now the people of Edo State, we don't like him in 2006. So the second challenge be say a former party member, when it be PDP, because all of them still vote for him that time, to make sure say their candidate come out, which is person of Ize-Iyamu, the former party. Say some of them not they happy because they very disappointed. Say in don't defect to APC. Person will be say they put hope for her, taking say this year popularity will be more stronger under PDP. Sake of say they don't spend a lot of money for a head till they invest on her, to make sure say he emerge. But at the last time when it be saying income just change automatically, say you know, if you contest other people again, make it follow Uno road. When people say they negotiate with the former national chairman, will be person of Adams Oshiomhole. You know, say since Izayamu enter APC, we hear say things come scatter. The love when it be say Obaseki be get for Oshiomhole be get for Obaseki, the love just come die. So cause say maybe Izayamu don't promise Oshiomhole say, me no worry, when he reach there, he will give him money when be say Obaseki not free give him. We also know say Izayamu rule under PDP before, during Lucky Igbeneghu time. We be say everything come jaga, everything come spoil, you know, if you do anything. So these two hurdles will be one from Edo people, if you really change the mind of Edo people when they vote for her, and two, if you really change the mind of former PDP supporters. So because some of the diverse, so who could they look how the thing will happen? Because we never know how the thing will be and who will win. Because the seat now for Edo State now a very hot seat. And we also remember that in 2016, Izayamu in the PDP, he can contest against Obaseki for APC, and they can win. And Izayamu as well also contested against Oshiomhole then, and Oshiomhole can see winner. Okay, now people of Edo State don't talk say now Obaseki now they want, and some PDP members say since Obaseki enter PDP, the popularity do increase. Sake of say they don't want any godfather. Maybe say the money when they take employ people, when they take repair roads, they don't want to give out to one godfather. When we say you sit that for you sit for house, they wait for money. When we say they will support develop the state. So more they watch what you will play. As we say, Edo people, some of we don't see many people don't they bomb broom, say they don't want APC for that Edo State. You know, so they reject PDP before. When they say no development, no road, they don't construct any road. People know they feel it well. Poverty risk on day too high for that state. Criminals everywhere. So Edo people talk say the one like say the spirit of Ogbemudia and Abrusali now enter Obaseki body. Say Obaseki they work. Now progress and prosperity now they want for that state. They don't want we say for this century, say person consider they use analog brain for them. They carry them, they go back. Say a person when they like, when they vote for. So say nobody will do wuru for the election. Whether now Obaseki win or now Izayamu win, this need to be done very, very well. Now people, I'm sure say if Izayamu win this election, if you do well, if you really do what they talk, I'm drop on a comment. So I'm going to see, I'm going to read down and see how the thing will be. And we will give now more information as we go ahead. As the thing they play, we will give now breaking news. And make not forget to subscribe to our channel. Our channel now, DJM TV. And make not forget to click on the notification bell. Maybe say anytime we upload new videos, more breaking news, we are going to get a sharp. We can also share this our video with our family and friends. More than they support us, more than they like our video, so that we get strength to they carry out what they do so. My people, we can not forget, drop comment, listen to this audio carefully. We can drop comment, share, again I repeat, share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. and those people say that they write us, we dey see all our message, we will treat them one by one as the message they a lot. So my people, now so we see and reach for today, and we will bring una top news as we go. Una thank you, and bye bye.
DJ ATV.